This is question 10 of the Algebra 1 Subpart 2 practice test, and you may use a calculator for Subpart 2. Question 10 states the height in inches of each student in Megan's algebra class is shown. A table is provided, and if you notice the numbers are in order, in descending order. It says select all measures that will be affected if a student who is 77 inches tall joins the class. So the first thing to realize is that 77, it lies outside the data set. So some things down here will be affected. So the first thing that you would do is you would need to enter in the original data into the calculator. So what I have done is I've went to Stat and Edit, and in List 1 I have entered in the numbers into this calculator. So as we scroll through here, you can see that I have all the numbers from the beginning to the end listed. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Stat, Calc, One Variable Stats. List 1 is where my data is at, and I'm going to calculate. Now, I'm going to use this data from the calculator to see what's going on with each of these requested informations. So, the mean is 65.3. It is stated here with X bar. Standard deviation is this S of X. It is 4.95. As I scroll down, you can see that I have 20 numbers in my data. The median is 65, and the interquartile range would be 70 subtract 2, so that would be 8. And the range is going to be the largest number of 72 subtract the 54 for an 18. So that is the original data. Now we are going to add in the 77 into the calculator to see how it affects the measures. So Stat Edit, you hit second insert, it provides a space, and you add in 77. Stat, Calc, One Variable Stats, and then you see how things have changed. The mean is now 65.9. The standard deviation went up to 5.46. Now I have 21 numbers in my set, and I can see the median stayed at 65. The interquartile range stayed at 8. And then the range is 77, take away 54, and that's going to give me 23. So all of that information came from the calculator. So now let's see which measures were affected by adding the 77-inch person to the class. So interquartile range stayed the same, so it is not affected. The mean did change, so it's affected. The median stayed the same. The range changed, and the standard deviation changed. So that's how you would complete number 10.